This is Force 13's Australia Oceania Channel, and this is the Canberra airport during the intense but severe thunderstorm activity. The Sydney storm has seen 1,600 calls received by the New South Wales State Emergency Service. 400 calls from help came from Kooringa. Channel 7 News had a live session about 45 minutes ago. The news helicopter flying over and damage to businesses. However, this is a look at the storm probability from 10 AM through to 2200 hours tomorrow. Maximum temperatures for the capital cities expecting 31 Sydney, 22 Melbourne, 35 a hot one here in Brisbane, 35, 25 Perth, 27 Adelaide, 19 Hobart, 26 Canberra, expected maximum of 31 in Darwin. The latest instability, current temperatures 27.2 in Sydney, 16.5 in Melbourne, 28.4 here in Brisbane, 18.2 Perth, 17.2 Adelaide, 15, a cool 15 in Hobart, 20.1 Canberra, 27 up there in Darwin. And you can clearly see where the activity is going to be. The brighter the purple is to the right, that means intense. However, supercell probabilities, the sunny expected for Sydney, becoming sunny in Melbourne, shower or two possible storm Brisbane, partly cloudy Perth, cloud clearing over there in Adelaide, Hobart cloudy, partly cloudy in Canberra, rain possible storm Darwin. The precipitation, this is a developing item. The information's at the bottom and top of the screen, and the pressure is the right numbering in the black box. And the Bureau of Meteorology is saying that Tasmania isn't receiving anything from the low pressure system that was over Victoria yesterday. Here's a look at the winds at the 850 millibars level. Each of these images are free out. The information down the bottom left of the screen shows the wind value in knots. There are a couple of marine coastal waters wind warnings in place. A strong wind warning, the Byron, Goffs, Eden Coast in New South Wales. Now here's a look at the 12-hourly and 24-hour rainfall outlook provided by the BOM Meteorology. Strong wind warning, East Gippsland Coast, Victoria. They also have a flood watch for fire affected catchments in the northeast and eastern Gippsland regions. BOM Meteorology will update that in a couple of hours time. And you can clearly see where the activity is going to be, and a little bit of blue appearing. Strong wind warning, Tasmania, Central Plateau Lakes, the far northwest coast, east of the Flinders Island, upper east, lower east, southwest, central west coast. And look at that area in blue. And the rainfall scale, the blue, 2 to 300 millimeters. Another look at the GFS model. It's the accumulated precipitation outlook. We will continue to bring the latest information, and another live streaming event is possible.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13AU. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates, and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13AU. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.